In this video, we'll be going over how to use the app Cardiio. It's the pink app on my screen in the second row of apps all the way on the left, and it has a heart on it. So I'll click on that. When you first open the app, it's going to start all the way on the left of these bullet points, and it has sort of some instructions for you for the app as well as some important information. It is important to remember that this is not for medical use, and if you feel like you are having some difficulty with pounding in your chest or difficulty breathing, you should always see a doctor and not use this app to diagnose yourself. However, this app can be helpful when doing exercise at home to make sure that your heart rate is within a target range as established by your doctor. It's going to ask if you have read and understood the disclaimer for non-medical use, and you can say yes. It will ask you to review the terms of service, so you can read through this. And then click yes, I accept. Next, you will need to review the Cardiio privacy policy, and it will bring that up for you. Go ahead and read through, and then click yes, I accept. This app may use some of your personal information as described in the privacy policy. If this is okay with you, then click agree. This app is going to measure your heart rate by analyzing light reflected from your face. Gently cover the back camera and flash with the finger to measure your heart rate. This just explains how to view the heart rate once you have done the measurement. You can also view the history of different heart rate measurements. This app also comes with a built-in 7-minute workout, which is fun to do if you are thinking that you want to do a quick workout but didn't want something too hard. You can determine whether or not you would like the app to be allowed to send you notifications. So when you click on start, it's going to ask if it is allowed to access the camera, which it will use to measure your heart rate. You have to click yes. You'll have to hold it for a certain amount of time so it can get a good measurement of the heart rate and then take an average. And it looks like the average for my heart rate was 57 beats per minute, which it says on the top right. If you feel concerned about this image that you're seeing with the ups and downs of the white line, don't worry too much about it because it's not going to be as accurate as the proper medical equipment. This is more just to give you an idea. Since I am in a resting state, I will leave it as it is on rest, but if I was working out, I would want to click active. You can also put in how many minutes you've been working out. You can then add your information, gender, weight, and age if you'd like, but I will click cancel for now. You can always view insights, which will show your average for today as well as other dates if you have done it before. It will also show the average for your age group as well as for your height and weight. You can view your records for the last 30 days, and as you can see here, I only have one. If you ever feel like you have too many and you don't want to keep them, go ahead and clear the all records. On the bottom, the fourth icon with the big 7 is the 7-minute workout. You can start that and it will coach you through some different exercises as well as giving you rest breaks. You can view the settings of the app on the right, all the way on the bottom of the screen, as well as giving yourself reminders, auto stop, uploading to Apple Health and things like that. If you'd like to export your history, you can click on the export button on the top right of the screen from the history.